Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to switch between two accounts on Discord in just a few simple steps. Click your profile area at the bottom left of the screen to open the user menu, then click Switch Accounts. A submenu appears showing your available accounts. Click Manage Accounts to open the full account manager. The Manage Accounts modal opens, displaying all your linked Discord accounts with their profile details and a button to add more if needed. You can add up to 5 accounts total in the account switcher, so you can jump between personal, work, and gaming accounts without signing out. If an account isn't appearing in the switcher, make sure you've fully logged into it at least once through the Add Account option. The account you're currently using shows at the bottom left with your username and avatar, so you always know which one is active. Once you've added your accounts, switching between them takes just 2 clicks from anywhere in Discord. And that's how to switch between 2 accounts on Discord. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.